Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Zayyad and I am thrilled to be here today to introduce myself and share with you the exciting world of Java programming. As an experienced software developer and a passionate advocate for technology, I am delighted to have the opportunity to guide you on this journey of learning and discovery. Whether you are a complete beginner or have some prior programming knowledge, this Java course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in the world of software development. In this Java course, we will dive into the fundamental concepts of programming, explore the power of Java, and learn how to build robust and efficient applications. We will cover a wide range of topics, starting from the basics and gradually progressing to more advanced concepts. Throughout the course, we will learn about variables, data types, control structures, loops, and functions, which form the building blocks of any programming language, not just Java. We will then move on to the object-oriented programming principles, where we will explore classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. OOP is a fundamental paradigm in Java and plays a vital role in developing modular and maintainable code, so you need to know that. Additionally, we will explore exception handling, file I/O operations, and so forth and so on. Today, Java remains one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. It is the backbone of numerous enterprise systems. It also powers Android applications and plays a significant role in various domains, including web development, big data processing, cloud computing, and Internet of Things or IoT applications. With its rich history and robust features, Java continues to empower developers to create scalable, secure, and high-performance applications across diverse platforms. Throughout the course, we will emphasize hands-on learning through coding exercises and projects. Practical examples and real-world applications will be used to reinforce the concepts taught. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in Java programming and be able to develop your own applications in Java. I'm really excited about embarking on this learning journey with all of you, and I look forward to sharing my knowledge and helping you succeed in mastering Java programming. So let's get started and explore the incredible world of Java together.
So now, before we started coding, there are some basic requirements that we need. There are some softwares we need to install on our computer before we get started. The first software we'll need is the JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit. It is a software development environment that comes with pretty much everything you need to develop and execute Java programs. We'll also download an IDE integrated development environment. In this case here, we'll be using IntelliJ. So now, go ahead and open up your browser. Navigate to this URL. Then you can scroll down here. As you can see, we have all the versions here. You can select the version you want. So, and then here you need to select your operating system. If you're on Linux, you should select Linux. If you're on Mac, you should select Mac. If you're on Windows, you should select Windows. Notice that you do not have to download all of these files. You can choose one. You can choose a compress. This one, compress one. You can use the installer and this one up here for Mac as well, and then for Linux. After installing this, then you should go ahead and navigate to this URL again to download the IntelliJ IDE. IntelliJ IDE is an IDE developed by JetBrains. So for our purpose here, we'll be using the community edition, which is enough for our purpose here. So the next one we'll be writing a very fast program in Java. So stay tuned and do like and subscribe. So I'll see